Imagine if the boundaries between reality and dreams vanished. Welcome to the imagination age, a magical realm where minds and technology unite to create new realities. Here, augmented reality transforms the world, layering digital wonder onto the everyday. Brands tell stories that unfold before your eyes, inviting true interaction. Virtual reality takes us further. With a headset, entire worlds open up, immersive landscapes where marketing becomes an experience, not just a message. Mixed reality blurs the line even more. Digital and physical objects coexist, letting brands make products and ideas leap from imagination into everyday life. The Metaverse opens vast frontiers, a collective digital universe for limitless creativity. Here, marketing is a living canvas, a shared adventure for communities and brands. And gamification turns engagement into play, weaving challenge and reward into marketing to make every interaction fun and memorable. All these technologies redefine marketing, not by making it louder, but deeper. They help us build stories, communities, and relationships that feel magical and real. But in this vibrant landscape, power comes with responsibility. As conscious marketers and leaders, we must ask, are we respecting privacy? Are we building trust? Are we creating value and joy? To lead in the imagination age, we must nurture curiosity and champion ethical innovation. Fuse creativity with conscience. Let technology inspire connection and change. This is our calling, to craft marketing that lifts, enlightens, and imagines, always anchored in compassion and integrity.